11 feet, 16 inches. Right on. All right. All right, so we're gonna cut these off. Be like that.
Yeah.
Then we'll come over and cut this slab off. Then we'll come back and flip it over and cut that.
Okay.
Then we'll come down 3.5 inches. Cut
Do
that.
and then probably
Another 3.5
one.
inches. Cut that. And then hopefully we get 3 out of there. Then we'll stand these back up.
And
Go
cut
1,
2 by
2. Yep. And we'll cut them all. We'll cut
all the way through.
all the way, all 3. If we can get, we're going to get 3 out of them. So 3.5. We need a 10.5. 3.5. 7 plus 3 10. So we need at least 11-inch camp. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry, my son Garrett, and is it out here for you?
No,
Not yet.
not yet.
And he needs some 2x4s and some cherry. So he needs, I think we calculated about 40 2x4s. So we have a 16-inch, 11 foot. It's actually longer than 11 foot. It's almost 12, but 16-inch, 11 foot, and 90 board foot. And then we have another one over here, which is another 11-foot log, 160 or 106 board feet. And then the cherry log is pretty small, 13 inches. I'm sorry, 11 inches, 37 board feet. So he needs some lumber. So we're gonna make this happen for him today. And I think we got a plan on how we're gonna do it. He's gonna be the swamper and we're gonna kick butt here. So let's get this thing fired up, warmed up. We don't have to clamp it. Oh. Just pull the crank short. Yep. Oh, wow. All right, now let's crack the water open. I'm just looking for a steady little strip like that. Okay. Not too much, not, all right. Let's give it a little gas. Have fun. You break something, you break something, so be it.
What?
If you break it, you break it.
Okay.
So my son's gonna run it. He's never run the mill. My son-in-law has, but not my son. Oh, 2x4s. What do you think, Garrett?
I love them.
44 2x4s, and he's using these for that fence we built. All those, if you remember, we milled all those fence boards last year, and they're all processed. Now we need 2x4s to nail them to, and then you can start. Oh, then we got to make some 4x4 posts.
Yep. Posts are next, but.
So, all right, guys, on to the cherry. We're gonna roll that on now. That 4x4 is down there nice and good. Ooh. Keep going all the way up. Nice. A little farther. Keep turning it. There you go. I got it. Go and clamp it. Rinse and repeat, just like you did. Some of you asked me about my kiln before, and you saw it in the background. Sometimes I'll have a black tarp I'll drape over all this so it absorbs more heat. But it's about 80 in there right now. But I put this in right before my knee surgery. So let's see how dry this stuff is. Oop, turn it on, Jerry. Okay. 12%. Huh, that one's not even registering. That's been in there for a year though. Nine, 8. Wow. This is the stuff we just put in. How about these 2x4s way down here? 15%. So we put those in right before my knee surgery this winter.
Yeah, not too long ago.
Right about 7, 8 weeks ago. So all that lumber, it's good to go. So what we're gonna do, and that's 22%, the cherry. We're gonna clear this out and we're gonna stack this cherry in here. All right. We ended up getting, was it 44? Yes.
44.
44 2x4s, 12 foot long, and a pile of cherry.
I didn't count how many.
I didn't count either, but some nice 1-inch cherry. He only needed a few sticks of that, but we cut it all at 1 inch, and I'm happy. How'd you like running the mill?
It's fun. Do it
Is that
again.
the first time you've actually ran
No,
the
I
mill?
think second time.
The electronics?
Yeah.
Okay, you and
But
Nick.
it's been a while.
Okay. So I'm teach these guys how to do it, and I don't have to do it. And it felt good to be a swamper for a while too. So, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. I've enjoyed talking to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell icon if you want to get notifications. And if you want to share it, that'd be cool. We'll see you at the mill next time. Take care.